Morning students. Today we will have a look over some words and then we will come to the main point. See the words in the slide: crawl, kick, call, look, laugh, dance, drive, read, ride. Okay. Now think what these words indicate. Yes, these words indicate action. Now we will see some examples or sentences. I washed the car yesterday. The dog ate my cookies. Ram studies English and Hindi. Asha enjoys listening to music. See the bold words: washed, ate, studies, enjoys. What does these words indicate? These words too indicate the action. So the words which indicates the action are called verbs. Today we are going to see verbs and its types. Now verbs. A word used to describe an action, state or occurrence and forming the main part of the sentence are called verbs. For example, run, eat, walk, come, etc. etc. These are some common verbs used in our day-to-day life. Now the types of verbs. There are mainly 4 types of verbs. The 5th one given in the slide is only the helping verb but not the main verb. First is transitive verb. Second, intransitive verb. Third, the verb to be or main verb. Fourth, linking verbs. Fifth, auxiliary verb. Now we will see the first type, transitive verb. These are those action verbs that can have a noun attached directly to them. These verbs requires an object. See the example. For example, write book. Write is an action, okay, verb, and book is a noun. See, the noun is directly attached to the verb. Hit ball. Hit is an action, verb, and ball is a object, we can say. Okay, for example, see the sentence examples. The teacher taught the class. Teacher is the noun. Taught is action verb. So, the noun is directly attached to the verb. Second, Deepa gave me a pen. Here, Deepa is a noun, but it is not directly attached to the pen, but pen is an object. Understood? Is it clear? That these are those action verbs that can have a noun attached directly to them. These verbs requires an object. Okay, we will go to the next slide. Intransitive verb. These are those action verbs that do not have nouns directly attached to them and are used without an object. See, the nouns are not attached to the verbs, and second thing, the object is not required. For example, please sit. Now sit is the action and sit, so it is a verb. He is laughing. Laughing is the action verb here. Next we will see the main verb or principal verb. The main verb is also called principal verb. This term refers to the important verb in the sentence, the one that typically shows the action or state of being of the subject. Main verbs can stand alone or they can be used with the helping verbs. Main verbs, what it is said, principal verb. Here it is attached to the subject. What is the subject in the example? The man is digging. The man is the subject. And what is his action? Digging. So digging is the principal verb. Second example we will see, I am brushing my teeth. I is the subject, brushing is the principal verb. Now one thing again it is said that main verbs can stand alone. The example, next two examples indicates that. The third example is bus stops. See, here is the verb which stands alone, stops. Okay, and next is sun shines. Is it there any subject? No. It means that main verbs can stand alone. Now we will come to the next type, linking verbs. These are verbs that link a grammatical subject to an adjective, to a noun that describes it. See, the adjective and noun both are linked by the word, and that verb is called as linking verb. For example, see, watermelon. Watermelon is a noun. Tastes good. Good is an adjective. Which word is linking these both words? Tastes. So tastes is a linking verb. Now second example we will see, she became angry. Now in this example, became is a linking verb. Why? She is a noun and angry is a adjective. We will go to the next slide. Auxiliary verbs. First only I told there are only 4 types. Auxiliary verbs are only the helping verbs to the principal verb. See, first also in principal verb I have given the example of this. The man is digging. In that case the subject, it is attached to the subject. Subject plus verb. The man is digging. Here is the auxiliary verb. And in second example, I am brushing my teeth. In principal verb we have seen that brushing was the principal verb. Here for this helping is am. So am is the auxiliary verb. Now see, last slide is of assignment. Students, you have to read the sentence and underline the verbs in the sentence. Note it in your notebook and put the photocopy on the WhatsApp group, so that I may come to know that which concept of yours are clear and which are not. Thank you.